I give to you the West Virginia dog. I'm Katie Lee, and I eat meat in sweats. Today I got kind of dressed up for you. I've got on a sweat skirt, always looking for an elastic waistband. Now I'm cooking up some hot dogs, but have you ever had a West Virginia dog? So I'm gonna start with my chili sauce. This is super simple. Every region that you go to has their own spin on a hot dog. All right, so all stirred up. Now I'm gonna add 2 bay leaves. I add these at the end because I don't wanna break them up. And then this just goes onto the stove. I've got a little burner back here on my grill. All right, I'm gonna cook that at a medium-low simmer for about 2 hours and then add in a tablespoon of white wine vinegar, let it cook another half hour. Super simple. Now I'm gonna make the coleslaw, bacon coleslaw. Now I'm just gonna toss this with bagged coleslaw mix. Because we like to eat meat in sweats, get some bacon, break it up right into your coleslaw. All right, chili's almost done, the coleslaw's done. Let's grill up those dogs. Gus, I'm not referring to you. No one's gonna put you on the grill. Using some footlongs here. What do you think, Gus? It's hard to wait, isn't it? All right, let's check on those dogs. I like when they start to split open like that. Just bursting. It's heavy. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it smells so good. Let's build some hot dogs. I got a little bun. I'm going more hot dog than I am bun. This one looks good. Now I'm gonna top it with a little chili. Top it with some of this bourbon bacon coleslaw. And yellow mustard, very important that it's yellow mustard. But first, let's take a selfie. Now that's what I call a hot dog. Ready for this? I give to you the West Virginia dog. Gus, you're a hot dog, but you don't get to eat a hot dog. Had enough of me. I'm Katie Lee, and I eat meat in sweats. For more meat sweats inducing recipes like these hot dogs, be sure to subscribe.